Hello, friends. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good and just okay. I just want to give you an update about how I'm made the exhaust system for our rocket stove, so you'll get an idea. So I found a can. This is the big can of sardines, and what I did is that I've opened up a hole there for that is on the middle of the bottom of the can, so we could stick our pipe inside the can, and afterwards, here it is. I've added some cement into the sides of the pipe and the can, making sure that the cement won't pour over the the hole of the pipe. So this is a very useful because we could just stick this inside a rocket stove later and serve as a exhaust for the smoke. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless.